We got one. We get the money. We get the money. We get the moolah. We get the moolah. We get the peso. We get the peso. We get the netto. We get the netto. We get the skrilla. We get the skrilla. We hit the lotto. We hit the lotto. We get the bread.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be how to correct over processed knots. So as you guys can see, it's over processed in this section right here, and I am just going to correct that, and I'm going to teach you guys how I do it. So what I have right here is some, I don't know how to pronounce that, but yeah, you get it, okay? So this is the black brown, it's the number 58, and I just put a little bit, just a little teeny tiny bit of water and with that mixture, and as you guys can see, if you guys can see, it's just a little bit down in there. Oops, oopsie, good thing I got a towel down there. But it's just a little bit of the mixture, and that's what I'm going to be putting on the knots. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Just to let you guys know, there are actually two separate parts to this process. After I go in with the semi permanent hair color, I do that as many times as possible to get a darker appearance at the roots. And once I feel that I am at the desired color or tinting, I blow dried it. And after I blow dried it, I actually went in with the lace tint, and I'll make sure that I put I'll make sure that I insert a picture of the lace tint. It's called Even Lace Tint, and I use the color dark brown. So those are the two processes that those are the two steps in this process that actually gave me the results, the ending results of this over processed knots on this wig.
Mesmerizing music for the street.